A very good afternoon, students. So today we are going to study perimeter and area, revise perimeter and area. So your first question is, find the perimeter of a rectangle. You have to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 15 meter respectively. Whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 15 meter respectively.
Ma'am, we have to find the perimeter.
Yes, you have to find the perimeter.
Repeat once again.
Ma'am, 80 meters.
Find the
Ma'am, 80
perimeter.
meters.
Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 15 meter respectively.
Ma'am, 80 meters.
80 meters. Can anyone tell me how you found out?
Ma'am, may I tell Ayushi?
Ma'am, may I?
Ayushi bolo. Ayushi bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to find the perimeter, I did length, breadth, and then multiplied it by 2.
So we added the length and breadth and then multiplied it by 2. Correct.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's see the next question then. Find the breadth of a rectangle. Find the length of the rectangle whose perimeter is 360 centimeter. Whose perimeter is 360 centimeter and whose length is 100 centimeter. Whose length is 100 centimeter.
Ma'am, 260. Ma'am, 80.
You have to
Ma'am,
find
80.
out the breadth. 80. Okay. Any other answer?
Ma'am, 80. Ma'am, 80 only.
Ma'am,
80. Okay. Who will
Ma'am, you
explain? Who will explain? Akashi, you try. Akashi, you try. Explain the
ma'am.
question.
And the perimeter is 360 centimeter and length is 100 centimeter. So,
Perimeter की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे बिकॉज 2 into L लेंथ की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे और ब्रेथ की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे ठीक है
Ma'am,
ना
may I tell?
ओके नेक्स्ट लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन शुड वी
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
okay the perimeter of a square find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 centimeter whose side is 5 centimeter
Ma'am, 20.
Ma'am, 20
Ma'am, 20
centimeter.
centimeter.
Ma'am,
4
20
into
centimeter.
5 20 centimeter
Ma'am,
okay
20 centimeter.
Yes.
But you, now the question changes. You have to find the side whose perimeter is 100 centimeter of a square. You have to find the side of a square.
25 centimeter.
Whose perimeter? 25 centimeter. Easy, na? It was easy.
100 divided by
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
अच्छा,
100
अब थोड़ा
divided by
difficult
4.
करें? अब थोड़ा difficult
Yes,
करें?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छे से सुनना. Pinky runs across a square field of side 75 meter. Pinky runs across a square field around a square field of 75 meter. Pinky runs around a square field of 75 meter. Bobby runs around a rectangular field of length 160 meter and breadth 105 meter. Of length 160 meter and breadth 105 meter. Who covers more distance and by how much? Who covers more
Ma'am, what
distance
is the
and by
length
how
and
much?
breadth?
160 and 105.
Okay, ma'am.
160 and 105. 105.
Ma'am, the rectangular field's perimeter is more.
Okay, let's
And
wait
ma'am-
for others.
Ma'am, by 230 meters. Ma'am, by 230 meters.
Ma'am, 2 to 5 meters.
How much is the how
Ma'am,
much
1 to
is
5.
the perimeter of a square field? Perimeter of the square field is how
Ma'am,
much?
300.
Ma'am, 300.
Ma'am, 300.
Ma'am, 300.
Okay. And what is the perimeter of the field?
Ma'am, 2
Ma'am,
5.
Square field?
Ma'am, 530.
530. So the difference between them 530 is more and the difference between them is 230. Very good.
230.
Very good. Let's do one more question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 300 meter. Of length 300 meter and breadth 200 meter. At the rate of rupees 24 per meter. At the rate of rupees 24 per meter. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 300 meter and breadth 200 meter at the rate of rupees 24 per meter.
Ma'am, 19,200. Ma'am, 19,200.
Wrong.
Ma'am, the correct is
Ma'am, what?
15,360.
No.
What is the length and breadth? Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, please tell me the rate.
300 and 200. 300 and 200. And rate is 24. Length is 300, breadth is 200, rate is 24.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, do it. Take your own time. इसने
Ma'am,
जल्दी करने को नहीं कहा.
Ma'am,
आराम से करो.
24,000. Ma'am, 24,000.
Yes, 24,000. Very good. Who found out?
Ma'am, 24,000. Ma'am, Ayushi.
Very good.
Ma'am, Ayushi.
आकाश and Ayushi. अच्छा एक
Ma'am,
चीज बताओ. गुड. एक चीज बताओ तुम लोग का पेरीमीटर कितना आया?
Ma'am, 1,000 आया. Ma'am, 1,000.
1000. ठीक है. ठीक. चलो एक और करें.
1,000 नहीं आए हैं.
एक और करें.
Ma'am, 300 plus 200. Yes, ma'am.
20,000. How it can be 20,000? Ma'am, 300 plus 200 is 500.
300 plus 500.
24,000. 24,000. 24,000. I'm telling the cost. 2,400 to 20,400 by 24,000. And the perimeter is 1,000. Okay, let's take the next question. The cost of fencing a square park of side 300 meter. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 300 meter at the rate of 20 per meter. At the rate of 20 per meter.
And on side is 300 meter.
Yes.
Ma'am, 24,000.
24,000.
Ma'am, 24,000.
24,000. Yes.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am,
perimeter?
24,000.
How much is the perimeter?
24,000.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 12,000.
Ma'am,
Sorry, ma'am.
12,000.
12,000. Ma'am, 1,200.
12,200.
Ma'am,
1,200.
1,200.
1,200. Ma'am, 1,200.
1,200. 1,200. Okay. Let's
Yes,
take the
ma'am.
next question. Should we?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
एक और.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. सुनो अच्छे से. Kamla and Rama are jogging every morning. Kamla and Rama are jogging every morning. Kamla goes around a square field of side 200. Kamla goes around a square field of side 200. Rama goes around a rectangular field of length 300 and breadth 1,110. Length 300 and 110. If they both take 3 rounds, who covers greater distance and by how much? Who covers greater
Yes.
distance and by how much?
Ma'am, please repeat the length and breadth.
Ma'am, by 60 meters, jogs more.
And how much is the wait
Um,
सब कमला का length is 300 and breadth is 110.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Who is telling?
by 60 meters.
Yes, I will
Ma'am,
see.
Rama
more than 60
Ma'am,
meters.
ma'am, Rama is more jogging there by 60 meters.
More. Ma'am, by 60
Okay.
meters.
Ma'am, the perimeter of the
What
square
is the
field.
okay, give me the answer in parts. जिनको नहीं आया
Yes,
वो कर
ma'am.
पाएगा. Give me the answer in
Ma'am,
parts. Answer in parts.
may I Dhwani?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
Dhwani,
Ayushi.
Dhwani.
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Dhwani answer. Dhwani
First,
answer.
I have taken out the perimeter
I will be
of.
asking, you will be answering. I will be asking and you will be answering. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
What is the perimeter of Kamla covered? How much perimeter Kamla covered?
Ma'am, 800 meters.
And in
Ma'am,
3 rounds?
then we have into it, and ma'am, then we got 2400 meters.
Okay. Ayushi? Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Yes,
perimeter of perimeter Rama covered?
Ma'am, the
What's the
perimeter
perimeter
of
Rama covered?
Ma'am, 820. Ma'am, 820 meters.
And how much distance covered in 3 rounds? And how much
Ma'am,
distance covered in 3 rounds?
2460.
Okay. So the difference is 2460 minus 2400, that is 60. And who covered more? Rama.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Rama.
Ma'am, Rama.
गुड. अच्छा, अब सुनो अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को. अच्छे से क्वेश्चन सुनना, ठीक है? Two boxers have a fight in a square arena of side 30 meters. Two boxers have a fight in a square arena. Arena मतलब क्या है? जहाँ खेला जाता है, ठीक है? Arena of side 30 meters. 4 poles are stuck into the ground at the 4 corners of the arena. 4 poles are stuck into the ground at the 4 corners of the arena. ठीक? A rope is to be put around the poles to keep the spectator away. A rope is to be put around the poles to keep the spectators away. What length of rope will be required if 2 meters are required for tying the knots? What length of the square rope will be required if 2 meters are required for
Ma'am,
tying the knot?
128. Ma'am,
Wrong.
128.
Galat.
I'm 240.
Na.
Ma'am, 120.
No. करो, फिर से सोचो, फिर से करो.
Ma'am, we have to find the measurement of the rope.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
928 meters.
No. No.
Ma'am, 60 meters.
Wrong.
Ma'am, 960.
ना, एकदम नहीं. मैं फिर से क्वेश्चन पढ़ रही हूँ. क्वेश्चन को सुनो. ठीक है? Two boxers have a fight in a square arena of side 30 meters. 4 poles are stuck into the ground at the 4 corners of the arena. A rope fence is to be put around the poles to keep the spectators away. What length of rope will be required if 2 meters are required for tying the knots?
Ma'am, 15 meters.
एकदम गलत.
Ma'am, 15 meters.
Excuse me, ma'am.
एकदम गलत. बता तो रहे हैं. हाँ बोलो excuse me वाले.
Ma'am, is there any measure of the poles also?
That's the trick. You have to understand the question and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
That's only the trick behind the question. You have to understand the question and tell me. I
Ma'am,
can
here we
read
have
the
to
question
find the
one.
perimeter or about the area.
That's the question. You have to identify the question. Why should I tell?
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
I am waiting, no problem. Take your own time. Use your brain and give me the answer.
Ma'am, 122
Ma'am,
meter.
112.5.
One, who said?
Ma'am,
Tanya, कितना
Ma'am,
बोला?
Tanya.
Ma'am,
Tanya. Ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो कितना?
112. Ma'am,
तानिया कितना बोला अभी?
ma'am, I said 122 meter.
Very good. 122 मीटर. एकदम सही. कैसे बताओ? तानिया समझाओ. तानिया समझाओ सबको.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
बोलो.
first we'll find the perimeter of the field, ma'am, which is,
Yes.
ma'am, we'll do, ma'am, 13 to 4.
120.
Ma'am,
That is
120.
120.
And ma'am,
And
then
2
you
meter
said,
is already given.
yes, ma'am.
Rope is
And-
already we are having 2 meters extra. Yes or no? So
Yes, ma'am.
120 plus 2, 122 मीटर. मैंने कहा ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सुनो. बार बार कह रहे थे या नहीं? क्वेश्चन को सुनो, समझो. कह रहे थे या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो. Okay. So I'm ending here.
Excuse
I'm
me,
ending
ma'am.
my class here.
Excuse
Okay,
me, ma'am.
Tanya.
Ma'am, I
बोलो
have a
बच्चा.
doubt in symmetry.
Tell me the question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Don't tell me the question number. You tell me the description of the question. Or show me in the screen.
ma'am, I
Yes,
even
ma'am.
have a
Show me
doubt
in the
in chapter 12.
Show me on the screen. Show me on the screen.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, ma'am, can we use the pen after constructing the angles?
If it is online, then yes. If it is offline, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Tanya, what's your question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, exercise 4.2. Ma'am, the sixth
I am
question.
saying exercise 4.2.
Ma'am. Ma'am, 14.2.
So show me the question in your book.
1 minute.
Yeah, show me the question in your book.
Ma'am, I'm not knowing how to invert it.
Just focus your camera on the book or take a photo and screen share it. Take a photo and screen share it. Just बताओ कैसे इसको करना होता है. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, I even have a doubt in chapter 13.
Okay, we'll be discussing tomorrow then. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I'll bring the book and discuss. Okay, Tanya, we will be discussing tomorrow. I'll bring the book and we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.